Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shade. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are feeling great. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some interesting video how I make this delicious fried rice with some chicken thighs. So guys, if you are interested, sit back, continue watching, and let's get started. So guys, to make my fried rice, I'm going to be using some chicken thighs. As you can see, I've already marinated my chicken thighs with some garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet, salt, and seasoning. I'm going to cover it. I like to cook for about 10 minutes without adding any water. So now I'm going to be adding water to the chicken because we need the chicken broth to make our rice. So that is why you need to spice your chicken very well. I'll give it a nice stir. I'm just going to cover it. I will allow the chicken to cook. So guys, the chicken thighs is ready. I'm going to be baking this chicken thighs in the oven, but you can choose to fry on. It's good to go as well. So guys, the next step, I'll be adding some salt to the rice. Then I'll add hot water. I'll leave it for about 5 minutes. Then I'll wash it out of the water and set it aside. So guys, here are the vegetables I'm going to be using for this fried rice. You can add more vegetable to it if you want, but these are the ones I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'll be needing some corn, gizzard, onions, butter, and some vegetable oil. I'll be needing some scotch bonnet, salt, and seasoning. So here is the chicken broth. Here is the rice. I've washed the rice as well. As you can see, the chicken broth is already boiling. I'm going to be adding the rice to it. I will give it a nice stir. As you can see, the rice and the chicken broth is almost the same level. You don't want to add too much water because you don't want the rice to be too soft. I add some bay leaves and I'm going to cover it. I will allow it to cook. So guys, our rice is ready. I'm going to be using my wooden spoon. I'll make sure I stir everything together. Then I will spread up the rice because I want all the heat to go out of the rice because I don't want the rice to be too soft. Then in another clean pot, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil. I will add some butter, onions, and I'm going to saute for about 1.5 minutes. I'll add some salt, some seasoning, so it's time for me to add the vegetables. And you don't want to overcook your vegetables. I'm just going to stir fry the vegetable for about 4 to 5 minutes. I will add some corn, so it's time for me to add the rice. I'm going to stir fry the rice for a few minutes and make sure you stir the rice continuously. It's time to add the gizzard. And I'm just going to stir everything together. I'll leave it for just 1 minute. Then the rice is done. So now I'm going to be taking the rice away from the pot, and I will be repeating the process again because I share this rice into 2 parts. So I'll be doing the other part of the rice. This recipe, guys, trust me, was so delicious, and please make sure to give it a try and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. And if you have watched to this minute, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. And please, if you like this video, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button and remember to set the notification bell icon to all. Thank you. So guys, here is the chicken thighs. It's ready to be served. Voila, our food is ready. So guys, I really appreciate you guys for watching to this moment. Please, as I said before, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family, and I would love to see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. I love you all, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.